The reopening of the Nnewi Museum was indeed a significant event for the people of Nnewi and its surrounding areas. On the 1st of April 2024, the people of Nnewi, with warm regards from the Igwe Nnewi III, commenced the official opening of the Nnewi Museum. The museum, just like every other museum, played a crucial role in preserving and showcasing the community's heritage, arts, and traditions.
Onye nwanyị anyị na-eji ebe na-enyere anyị na nke mgbe anyị nwere n'ebe a nwa iji mepee ebe anyị doziri dịka ebe anyị na-edebe ife omenala anyị nke anyị kpọrọ n'olu oyibo Nnewi Museum. Chineke onye dị nsọ kwee ka ebumnobi anyị ka ọ dị na mmezu n'aha Jizọs.
The Nnewi Museum houses ancestral artifacts, including the pictures of the first and second kings of Nnewi. The museum serves as a custodian of these items, ensuring that they are protected and accessible for future generations. The Nnewi Museum was made open to various groups of people, including schools, arts and history lovers, filmmakers, content creators and researchers, and this allows for a broader audience to engage with the cultural treasures and learn from them. It fosters a sense of community and encourages exploration, education and appreciation of the Igbo culture.
Now, any race that forgot their culture, but their internal generation will find it difficult to survive. So then the let's go back to our culture. It's the people's world of life.
The Nnewi Museum has not only become a repository of artifacts, but also a hub for cultural exchange, dialogue and celebration. It serves as a source of inspiration and knowledge for visitors, contributing to a deeper understanding and preservation of the Igbo heritage.
Moto Queen Elizabeth Yalmo Ejibia Nobora Nnewi Onyoyo Bam Bunya Nigerian government No Nigerian government already Motana Rolls Royce unu ga-afụ ya ebe a.
Overall, the reopening of the Nnewi Museum was a momentous occasion that signifies the commitment of the community to its cultural identity and the importance of preserving and sharing its history. I am Priska Ezago, reporting.